Meaning of foray.
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 Foray. Foray refers to a sudden or brief attempt at entering into something unfamiliar or new, particularly in a mildly risky or daring way. The result of a foray can be positive or negative, depending on the circumstances. It often involves experimentation and exploration, with the aim of gaining valuable insights or knowledge. A successful foray can lead to new discoveries, increased confidence, and improved skills, while a failed one may result in setbacks and disappointment. Ultimately, the success of a foray depends on careful planning, determination, and a willingness to take calculated risks.